Hello everyone, Dave Halleck here in the clubhouse of driving passion at Jerry Gordon's Mazda with a quick little maintenance tip. All of our vehicles are equipped with maintenance monitors where it'll remind you that you have an oil change due or time to rotate the tires and stuff like that, which is indicated by a little orange wrench. So look, I've set this one so you can see the little orange wrench, and this is the CX30. Or CX3, I should say. So what we do is we want to go into the Mazda Connect system. We want to press the home button. We want to turn to applications, which is 2 to the right or left. We want to go down to vehicle status monitor, which has got the little triangle indicator saying that there's something going on there. We go to maintenance, and then the wrench will show up which one is overdue. You can go into each one of them and you can add more time if you need to, or just reset it if that's the case. Or you can go to setting and you can turn it off, and it'll say, do you want to turn off the reminders? And you can say, yes, I want to turn it off. So then that part will be blank. So if we go to the schedule part and we want to turn that off, great, and then it gets rid of the little orange light. Now the check engine light and the steering light are on because the car is not running in the showroom. But if the light is on and you've reset it, and you go, well, I've reset everything in the system, so why is the wrench light still on? There's one extra little tip that you can do. The trip counter stick right over here, what you want to do is when the car is off, press and hold that trip counter stick, and then press your start button and start the car. Within 30 seconds of holding that and the car running, you'll see the little wrench light flash, and then it'll blank it out. So then all of your settings in the maintenance will be what you set them to, but it'll get rid of the maintenance light. So it's a little behind the scenes trick that you can do. How you can adjust your maintenance monitor in Generation 1 of Mazda Connect vehicles, like the CX-3, older versions Mazda 3, CX-5, CX-9. And if you have any troubles with doing that, feel free to come in and see us here in the clubhouse, and we'll be happy to look at resetting that for you. I'm Dave Halleck for Jerry Gordon's Mazda, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.